Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a fragrance that's been creating quite a buzz, Mancera Instant Crush for Women, a 4-ounce Eau de Parfum spray with a lovely floral scent and a promise of long-lasting wear. If you're curious about how it performs and whether it's worth adding to your collection, stick around because we're breaking it down in detail. Instant Crush by Mancera is marketed as a floral fragrance designed for women, presented in a convenient 4-ounce aerosol spray. What's interesting about this perfume is its emphasis on longevity, aiming to keep you enveloped in its scent throughout the day. Mancera is known for crafting niche perfumes that balance quality with boldness, so expectations are high here. Using Instant Crush was pretty straightforward. The spray has a nice fine mist, which makes application smooth and not overpowering right off the bat. I incorporated it into my daily routine by applying it lightly in the morning before heading out, and I was pleasantly surprised by how the fragrance developed over time. The floral notes bloomed gently, evolving into a soft yet captivating scent that stayed noticeable even hours later without needing touch-ups. On days when I was moving between indoor and outdoor environments, the fragrance held up well, which is impressive for a floral EDP. One thing I loved was the texture of the spray, not sticky or heavy, just a fresh burst of scent that doesn't weigh you down or irritate sensitive skin areas like the neck. The packaging is sleek and practical, easy to handle and store. However, I did find that the aerosol delivery, while convenient, might not offer as precise control as a traditional spray bottle, so it takes a bit of getting used to avoid overspraying. Now for the pros. It truly excels in longevity with a floral bouquet that feels rich and elegant without veering into overpowering territory. The scent profile is sophisticated, suitable for both day and evening wear, making it versatile. Plus, the 4-ounce size is generous, meaning you're likely to get good mileage from one bottle. On the flip side, the aerosol format could be a deal breaker for some who prefer classic sprayers, and the scent, while lovely, might lean towards a traditional floral style rather than something edgy or unique. So if you're looking for a statement fragrance that turns heads with a twist, this may feel a bit safe. As for value, considering Mancera's positioning in the niche fragrance market, the price aligns with its quality and the long-lasting formula. You're paying for a dependable, well-crafted scent rather than a trendy throwaway. If you're used to designer perfumes with less staying power, this is definitely an upgrade. That said, if budget is a major concern, there are floral EDPs from other brands that might come at a lower price point, though perhaps with less projection or longevity. Comparing Instant Crush to other floral EDPs I've tried, it stands out for its balance, neither too light nor too intense. It doesn't venture into gourmand or fruity territory like some niche fragrances. So if you want something strictly floral and wearable daily, it's a solid pick. The build quality of the bottle feels sturdy and well-made, perfect for travel or everyday use. I haven't had any direct interactions with Mancera's customer service, but the brand's reputation for quality and craftsmanship is well established among fragrance enthusiasts, which adds a layer of confidence when purchasing. If you're looking for alternatives, brands like Zara or The Body Shop offer floral perfumes with a similar fresh vibe, but at a more accessible price point, although these generally don't last as long or have the same depth of complexity. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, Mancera Instant Crush is a dependable floral eau de parfum with excellent longevity and a classic scent profile. It's well suited for those who appreciate a timeless floral fragrance that performs well throughout the day without overwhelming the senses. While the aerosol packaging might not be everyone's favorite, the scent itself is elegant and versatile, making it a good addition to your fragrance wardrobe if you prefer that floral sophistication. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to grab your own Mancera Instant Crush in the description below. If you've tried this fragrance, drop a comment and let us know what you think. I'd love to hear your take. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.